In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download free source code from Emergent AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a project in your browser and save the files you need to your computer without any confusion. First, head to the Emergent AI website and open the home page. Give the page a moment to load. If you're prompted to sign in, do that as usual, then make sure you're on the main dashboard so the rest of the options are visible. At the top of the page, look for the section labeled Code. Click it to open the area where projects and generated code are managed. This view is where you'll get access to the workspace link and the controls you'll use to open the code editor. You'll see a link provided for the workspace. Copy that link and keep it handy, just below or nearby. There may also be a temporary password generated for secure access. Copy that as well and keep it private. You won't paste it anywhere in this video, but you might need it if you open the workspace in a separate tab or device later. If you prefer a faster route, you can simply click Open in Browser. This launches the hosted editor directly in a new browser tab. Depending on your session, you may be signed in automatically, or you might be asked for that temporary password you copied. Either way, once the editor appears, you're in the right place. Inside the web-based editor, look to the left sidebar for the File Explorer. Browse to the file or folder you want to save. Right-click on the item you want to download. A context menu will appear. Choose Download. Your browser will either ask you where to save the file or begin downloading it to your default downloads folder. If you selected a folder, it may be packaged as a zip, which is normal and makes transfer faster. While the download starts, your browser might display prompts asking you to allow downloads or to keep the site active. Click Allow or Activate when asked so the transfer isn't blocked. If nothing seems to happen, check for a small permissions icon near the address bar. Now, wait for the download to complete. Keep the tab open until it finishes, especially for larger folders. When it's done, look in the folder you chose or in your Downloads folder to verify the file is there. That's it. Your source code is now saved locally and ready to use. If this helped, consider keeping that workspace link and password somewhere secure for future sessions, and you'll be able to jump back in quickly anytime.